What are your favourite places in town?
When I'm with my friends in town, we spend most of our time at the shops. Sometimes we go to fast food restaurants.
What about when you're at home? Do you stay in your room a lot?
Yes, I quite like being alone sometimes, so I spend a bit of time in my room, usually when I come home from school.
Do you stay in bed later at the weekends?
No, I don't spend a lot of time in bed. I go to school on Saturday morning, and on Sunday I don't spend any time in bed. I prefer to get up and do something. See friends, do sport, watch TV, that kind of thing.
Are you online a lot?
Quite a lot, I suppose, yes. My parents say I spend too much time in front of screens. I use my phone a lot, and then there's my computer. That's for homework, but I play games on it too.
Do you spend much time on your homework?
No, not much. Maybe 30 minutes a day.
And at the weekend?
I spend more time on my homework at the weekend. Maybe an hour, but I don't spend more than an hour.
How long does it take to get to school in the morning?
When there's a lot of traffic, I spend about 40 minutes on the bus getting to school. It's a long time.
What do you do on the bus?
I spend all of my time on my phone.